Here we are, up to the beach. Beautiful day for autumn. And here is the beach in all of its glory. Lovely runway there. Tide is out for the time being. Lots of seagulls over there, must be a lot of fish. How easy is that? Those of you who have this air tractor, it's a great aircraft to fly, isn't it? So forgiving. The wide wingspan. Tides this month are not very low. The tide comes in at probably about half tide, but it'll increase as the weeks go by and as we go into winter. Okay, time to do a landing. No flaps needed, just come in nice and gentle. Got a crosswind landing away. Bit of a bounce, never mind. Long shadows now in Australia. The summer short shadows have gone and now the winter approaches with long shadows. Now we're going for the fly fans, a little bit more of a challenge with the jet. New battery in, have the reflex system in it and it seems to work just fine. It's taken from one of the reflex FMS aircraft and just inserted in, and it seems to have the same characteristics. We're going to pass with some flaps down. There she comes, really low. Flaps up. Bring it just low here. Yeah, she's sort of with the wind there a bit. Very touchy. I must adjust the expo on it. Final and in for a land. I'll just do take-off flaps, I think. She comes in. Sometimes the landing flaps make a bounce. She's a floater. Tracks nicely. So it's lovely undercarriage equipment that has the dampers on it. We'll see how the oleo system works on this. You can see this one really good, and this one a bit stiffer. They work well. But there they are, two of the lovely aircraft, the tractor and the fly fans sports jet. Both really great here on this wonderful afternoon, late afternoon, autumn in Australia. Thanks for watching, folks.